your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, hashtag tarot reader Shefali. I hope already you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I'll be releasing in future. So friends, in this video, we are going to speak about June 2020 forecast for your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for June 2020. People who are born from 21st of May to 20th of June are Geminis. Let's see what's in cards for them. So we'll start with your energy oracle card, friends. We have appreciation in the reverse position in the energy oracle segment. Now this card signifies that somewhere you will be surrounded by the energy of lack of appreciation, or maybe there is appreciation but you can't feel it, you can't sense it, because it is not reaching you in the way you were expecting it to be, because of which there is a possibility that you will focus on the negative side of the life rather than positive side. So a lot of negative thoughts might clutter in, lot of demotivation is expected because you feel lack of appreciation. So let's see what other cards are suggesting us. We'll start with your relationship card. We have a Hermit in the upright position in your relationship segment. So Hermit in the upright position suggests that somewhere you will feel lack of guidance in the relationship, lack of connect in the relationship. So somewhere you will not even be able to connect with your own self. Somewhere you will feel distanced with your own soul, with your own connection, because of which you will feel like a loner, or you will feel like a person who is ignored in the relationship. So this is the situation. This situation might appear even in the case of a person who is in the partnership or in the marriage. So you might feel that your partner is ignoring you, or they are not taking as much care as they should, or they are not feeling love towards you, they are not attached to you, they are leaving you alone types feeling might appear. Also you are not able to seek direction, or you're not able to judge your partner, or by judging, I mean you're not able to understand your partner, their reactions, their feelings for you, and they are not reaching you in the right way. It is very much connecting with the lack of appreciation energy. So you might feel less appreciated, less wanted, less liked, and less respected in the relationship. This is in the case of marriage as well as in the case of partnership, if you are already into partnership. In case of singles, you will feel disconnect with your own self. You will not be able to understand what you are looking for, what you are seeking in life, what is it that your goal is in the life. And these kind of problems, this kind of feeling and issues might arise in case of relationship with your own self. So the message for you is don't get into isolation. Though you will feel isolated, you will feel cold, freezed, because of lack of emotions, because of the lack of receipt of emotions from other people, but that is not the reality, friends. So you need to understand that this is just the phase that is passing by. Weep over it, cry over it, it's okay, open up yourself, but don't get cold about others. Don't be cold towards others' feelings and emotions. There is a possibility that you are not sensing it, but it is very much existent in your life. So relationship, you have to take extra care. Coming to your career, we have Eight of Pentacles in the upright position, in the reverse position, which says that either you are acting little lazy in terms of career, you're not working enough to get things done, to get things rolled out, or you have acted lazy in the immediate past, because of which your career, your work, your job environment is suffering. So there is a possibility that you might lose on some job opportunity if you have been seeking to seeking for change, or if you were looking for some promotion or increase in the or upgradation at work. There is a possibility that you will not be seen as a very good candidate for upgradation or for promotion, for appreciation for that matter, because somewhere they feel people see you as a lazy person, or not as if you have not worked enough to get things, to get the accolade or appreciation for the work. So this could be the case of a job environment as well as in case of business environment. If you have been seeking to get a degree, in terms of if you are an education person, that is you are a student, then there is a possibility that you were seeking for some degree but then you were not able to get through it in the coming time. It could be because somewhere you lacked effort or somewhere you were directionless at a certain point of time, because of which you have missed the bus. So that could be the situation. Here the message for you is completion. So look thoroughly across all the situation or across all the instances that you have done in the job environment or in the work environment, and try to get a complete picture out of it. Try to get a complete sense out of the picture, rather than assuming yourself on the loss of something or stressing you over the feeling of being done wrong. Like you might feel that people have done injustice or otherwise, that could be stressing you. But just try to analyze realistically and honestly with yourself, taking some time for with yourself, that whether you have gone and wrong anywhere, and if at all you feel that, once you get the sense of it, try to complete the picture by putting extra effort to gain that importance or success in your career and work and business environment. Overall, this month is looking little slow from your career front. Coming to your finances, we have Two of Wands in the reverse position, which is a very good card. It's not a very good card, honestly. It says that your finances are in imbalance. There is a possibility you might be losing on some financial assets. Some losses are expected. Something is not looking right in terms of financial investment. You are not feeling balanced enough to plan for your financial assets. So it is very much advised that look at the source of knowledge for financial investment. So try to get the right advice from right people for financial investment. Try to understand the right and the root cause of the losses that you have incurred in the current past or recent present, and try to just work on it. Try to correct it, or at least learn from it, so that you don't repeat that mistakes in future. But there is a financial loss expected in the coming time. Coming to your health, I can see you juggling between your two responsibilities in terms of health. Either you are juggling between two relationships, because of which you are stressing yourself, or you are juggling between two different types of treatment or different types of routines to take care of your health. Either ways, you are a little worked up in terms of your health, especially your physical health. Like there could be some issues like a stomach issue or some back pain kind of issues. Those might pop up in the coming months. So just take care that you don't stress yourself or juggle between too many responsibilities at the same time. The message for you over here is comparison. Don't compare yourself with somebody else and try to match up to the expectation, or don't compare two different mutually exclusive exercise routines and try to match both of them. Otherwise it is going to stress you out. Just try to take a midway and try to be realistic in your approach when you are tackling with your health. Don't try to like for example, you are comparing allopathy and Ayurveda, or you are comparing energy healing and Ayurveda. So these two are mutually exclusive, different parallel streams of health regime. Don't try to juggle between them. Try to get a balance and take care of your health accordingly. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have psychic development as a blocked card, which is a black. We are getting a reverse card which shows a blockage in your intuition power, decision making capability, foreseeing things. You are not able to see things as they are. You are perceiving it wrongly. You are misunderstanding, taking things in a very wrong manner. So these are the possible situation blockage which is happening because your intuition is looking blocked. Here again we are seeing moon in the reverse position. Moon in the reverse shows heavy illusions, so it shows a lot of illusion, misunderstanding, perceiving things wrongly, not being able to accept or receive love as in the form it is offered, and being too unrealistic about things, being too ungrounded and emotionally very disturbed, a lot of mood swings expected, lot of mental issues, depressive thoughts expected. So just take care, Geminis. It is going to be a little tough month, mix of lot of challenges. I really hope this reading helps you to plan your coming month in the better fashion. Try to use indigo, try to use blue color, indigo color, try to use little bit of red color in your life, which will help you enhance the deficiencies which are expected in the coming month. Very good luck to all of you. Friends, I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Do follow me on my Instagram account, on my Facebook page, Tarot Reader Shefali or Tarot Guide Shefali, and do follow me on Instagram page, which is Tarot Reader Shefali. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comment really helped me to get your feedback. Also, your suggestion helped me to improvise my videos as well as to get some new videos on new topics for pick card reading. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. They will be able to take some help out of it on the basis of the situation. Remember that this is a generalized reading and take it as a general guiding light. If at all you are looking for more personalized reading, go for a personalized session with me or some other tarot reader. If you want to book an appointment with me, you can connect with me on the mobile number that is there on the screen, or you can put me a mail or message on the messenger or Instagram messenger or Facebook messenger. I really hope to help you in my capacity. A very good luck to all of you.